we'll cover how to check your students' grades on RenWeb. Once you have signed in to the Parent Facts website, go ahead and select the student whose grades you are looking for if you have more than one student attending the school. Once you have selected the student, go ahead and navigate to Student and click on the drop-down menu. The easiest way to check grades is to come over here on the right side of the screen, and you can very easily see the current percentages that your student has in RenWeb. Let's go ahead and click on this student's Bible class. One thing that you want to look at when you're looking at grades is the category and the weight of each category. For example, this teacher has the assessment category weighted at 35%. Here, we see the average of each of the assignments that the student earned. So on Christian Doctrine 11, they earned 11 points out of 15 points for a percentage of 73%. The way that the category average is calculated is by adding up and taking the average of every assignment in this category. When you take the average of all of these assignments, the category average is 81%, which means that 35% of the student's grade right now is being calculated at 81%. Heading down, we see that classwork in this class is weighted at 25%. Taking the percentages of everything they've earned on every assignment in this category, that percentage adds up to 94. So 25% of this student's grade is being calculated at a 94%. In Bible Community Service is worth 5% of their grade. Currently, this student does not have any community service, so 0 is being calculated as 5% of this student's grade right now. If they were to get this in, this would raise that grade up. In projects, the category weight is 20%. This student has every single project turned in and they got 100% on everything, which makes the category average 100%. So 20% of their grade is being calculated at a 100%. And finally, scripture memory verses has a weight of 15%. They got a 75% on one, 2 100%, and a 0 missing on another. So the average of that is currently a 70%. Obviously, if they were to come in and say this missing memory verse and get another 100% on this, that would boost this category percentage way up. But as of right now, 15% of their grade is being calculated at a 70%. When you add all the calculations of these weights and percentages up together, the total grade is calculated at an 82% or a B-. If this student wanted to raise his or her grade as fast as possible, they would want to look at the category with the highest weight, which in this case is this one, assessments at 35%. And he has a missing or incomplete assignment in this particular category. If this student wanted to raise their grade as fast as possible, they would want to get this assignment in this highly weighted category in first, as opposed to something in a category only weighted at 5% first. So when you're looking for grades to increase dramatically, look for those high percentage categories and aim to get those grades in first.